Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great Friday. Well, today we're going to be working on the peonies in the vase from DPClubs, I believe. If I've got that wrong, let me know in the description or down in comments. But I believe that's where I got it from. It doesn't have a bag yet, so yeah. So how are you doing? I've had a week, just a week, and it's not quite over yet. And this is a 939 that I'm using here. So, yeah, yesterday was a bit busy at work. Trying to move you over so you can see what's going on. And yeah, just things. Things going on. My son came down last night and tried to put the water heater together, and he got here, of course, late because he had things he had to do after work and all that. And we had to go to the parts store to get what we needed, and we came back and tried to put it together. Well, there was a hitch in the get along, and by that time the hardware store was closed. Yeah. So, yeah, we'll see what happens today. And yes, we're still working on the water heater. Make sure I was doing the right one. About got this one peony done here. So I'll keep you informed as we go along. But I'm getting tired of playing this game. I just would like something to work out. You know what I mean? So no big plans for the weekend here, other than getting that thing fixed. Hopefully we can get it taken care of. But, yeah. Fun, fun, fun times. Had a little bit of this 939 left over from working on it earlier. Well, not earlier today, but earlier this week. So I figured we might as well finish up this thread, and I got out one more just in case we need it. But this one's going along quite nicely. Oh, yeah. Shoot. Where is what I need? Yay, I found it. Love these. Thank you, Carolyn. Oh my goodness. But yeah, it was busier than I expected it to be yesterday, and we, of course, had the order come in, but like I said, 9 out of 10 times, it's already pretty close to being done, you know, by the time I get there. So that's always kind of a good thing, because we work our butts off in the summer. It takes 3 hours to put everything away. But now it maybe takes an hour. Maybe more or less. But the guy actually got there, we'll call it a half an hour before I ever came to work. So they were still running around putting stuff away. But that part wasn't too bad. And then yesterday, I guess, lost. What day is it? Yes, it's Friday. Thank goodness. So yesterday we didn't have that, but I was only there for 5 hours yesterday. So, yeah. Which was nice. But it was still busy. Had to have 2 registers, so. And then there was a little conflab with one of the gas pumps, but right before I got there. But they got that all sorted out, and then there was something wrong with the credit card machine, so it seemed like it was busier than other times. You know what I mean? Just little things just kept popping up. Oh, for pity's sake. Yeah, I keep hitting my bell. Hang in there. So I'm looking forward to kind of taking the day off until my son-in-law gets off work, and maybe we can finish this, you know? It's been cold the past couple of days. I mean, it was supposed to be like, oh, what was it? Almost close to 40 degrees, but it sure didn't feel like it. There was about a 10 to 15 mile an hour wind every day this week. Just every day this week. It's like, come on, let's get past it. Last night I went, after my son left, because there was nothing more he could do. I went to the grocery store and got one of those rotisserie chickens. So I'll have to do something with the leftover chicken. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. May make some kind of a casserole or something with it. I don't know. Haven't quite made up my mind yet, you know. Just kind of, well, you know. Don't want to make too many rash decisions. Never works out. Kind of like to finish this little flower, but I don't think we're going to get it done in this little session, because there's 1, 2, 3 other symbols. So, yeah. We'll just do these, work on these 2. But I think it'll be pretty. I might wait until I get it all stitched and see if it needs a bit of back stitching just to kind of define the flowers and stuff. We'll see how that would work out. But there, at this point, there is no back stitching. So maybe I can just sit there and stitch today. Or for the rest of the day. See if there's anything new or different on Netflix. Not sure. Ah, come on. Okay, I think. Gotta look again. Lay it out flat. I think we got that symbol done. There may be one right there. I hate it when I have to come back and just do one little square of one color. That just drives me nuts. I'd rather waste the thread right now. Just get it. Oh my goodness. My daughter was talking about going up into the hills, but I don't think we can get very far, you know, like on dirt roads, because they don't plow up there, you know. We're just going to set that aside. Oh, let's put it up there. That way it will know where it goes. Now this color is 600. So we'll just put that in. A real pretty, like, dark coral pink, maybe? I don't know how else to explain it. Looks like raspberry, you know? It's kind of got that pink and red thing going on. I went on the wrong side of the thread. There we go. But this has been stitching up pretty fast. I just work on it a little bit here and there, put a whole thread in. And it's not so big. I think it's like a 40 by 50. Had to look, I had it all. See, I had it all rolled up this time. Worked a little bit on my new geisha and the flowers picture last night. Put in another whole thread of it. I guess I'll have to go get that green symbol next. And that'll kind of make this kind of rounded off. And then there's just a few intermittent symbols, like scattered in here. But I just kind of, excuse me, thought I was going to sneeze. Oh my goodness. Have you ever had to sneeze and cough at the same time? It's like, what the heck? All this wind this week is not doing my, I don't know, it kind of affects just my nose, not really my sinuses, you know, where you get like a sinus infection or anything. It just messes with my nose, per se. I forgot what I was going to say. Yeah, I keep this over there by the couch where I stitch all the time. And that way I can just pick it up and put a few things in it and just go from there. And I finally found the other one of these, so I now have one here and one over by my stitchy place, if you will laughingly call it that. That's where I sit all the time. This almost looks like a red, but it's got that pink tone to it. So we'll see how the weekend shapes up. And go from there. Oh, I'm going to go get that one. He's not too far off the beaten path. We'll finish that part. And then go back. Oh, I thought I pulled all the thread out. I'm like, not again. So it's starting to get shaded there a little bit. Where am I? I don't know that if they are or they aren't calling for any snow this weekend. I'm not in the mood. Just don't feel like messing with crap. Messing with it again this weekend. So we'll see if it snows or it doesn't. But I thought it was going to be in the 30, mid to high 30s, and not any precipitation of any kind. It would be nice. All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna run out of thread. That's like a black. All right. Well, thank you for joining me today. And we're working on a little bit of this. We're almost there. I just got to fill in that green and that green box and the red box. There's some of those down in here, but I'll try to finish this flower. Then we can go on to something else, right? Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.